Hello, how are you, my dear brother and friends? I received the commission to talk about cancer. When the beautiful word is in the lips of medical, when has come to failure of his natural remedies with drug injection, surgery, and chemo. When dealing with cancer, it will be more properly to speak of cancerosis, because here it is not a local condition, but a general state of decomposition and organic degeneration due to severely malignant blood due to chronic digestive disorders and deficient elimination activity of the skin. And this is the way it is explained that predisposition of cancer due the severely malignant blood due to chronic digestion, deficient elimination, activity in the skin. In this way, it is explaining that the predisposition to cancer is hereditary, since children inherit the quality of their blood parents. And that is explaining that the cancerous children can achieve their malignant inheritance by regeneration of their own blood through good digestion and permanent elimination activity in the skin. How Dr. William Sanford affirmed the diagnosis of cancer is a cause of death, it is generally false. On my part, can assure that every patient die of mismanagement is due to destructive fever of his teaching is the rebel when we saw in the iris the subject anyone be in the name or his manifestation your ailment. The cancerous one die of poor digestion and deficiency elimination of his skin, kidney, and intestine. All this is a result of chronic and acid alkaline hydric imbalance metabolism. Heat in the patient must normalize his digestion. If said, this will be only possible by beating his internal fever and feverish the skin. The cancer is not produced by the tumor, but the function of nutrition or elimination of your body are in place. The tumor is not disease, but the enemy of health that we must remove with the surgery or destroy with chemo. In this case, constitute a defense revealing natural locally deposit foreign matter in the economy, all with their derived from the inheritance and serious chronic digestion disorder and removal of the patient skin connection, because this is the defense of our body. We need to avoid deadly matters that circulates freely in the body, destroying the vitality, that is corrosive action, enormous novel such as the nervous system, heart, lungs, liver, kidney, and brain tumor are being or malignant dependence, depending of the organic defense in this subject. When the apparatus work well in the digestive system, the skin of the patient cannot present the malignant form of their tumor or abscess, because their virtual and vital force maintenance by the functional normality of their organism will produce the suppuration with abundance expulsion of pus, of reabsorbing the eliminated the corrupted matter that contain through the skin, kidney, and intestine for the lack of defensive activity. And the affected body, it is how her malignant tumor appear, and that is not reacts naturally to their removal, temporary success, because it does not go to the cause, that is the sick blood. All is inside of us.